Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for a fun travel vocabulary adventure? Today we will learn 100 travel items in English with pictures. We will discover useful things you might take on a trip, including suitcases, backpacks, passports, clothes, gadgets, and many more. Look at each picture, listen carefully, and repeat each travel item's name after me. Pack your bags and let's begin our travel vocabulary adventure. Let's start. Set 1. Luggage and bags. Suitcase. Suitcase. Carry-on bag. Carry-on bag. Backpack. Backpack. Travel bag. Travel bag. Duffel bag. Duffel bag. Handbag. Handbag. Tote bag. Tote bag. Shoulder bag. Shoulder bag. Waist bag. Waist bag. Crossbody bag. Crossbody bag. Luggage cart. Luggage cart. Packing cube. Packing cube. Garment bag. Garment bag. Toiletry bag. Toiletry bag. Shoe bag. Shoe bag. Laundry bag. Laundry bag. Passport holder. Passport holder. Travel wallet. Travel wallet. Money belt. Money belt. Luggage tag. Luggage tag. Set 2. Travel documents and essentials. Passport. Passport. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Travel ticket. Travel ticket. Visa. Visa. ID card. ID card. Travel itinerary. Travel itinerary. Map. Map. Guidebook. Guidebook. Travel journal. Travel journal. Travel insurance card. Travel insurance card. Wallet. Wallet. Currency. Currency. Coin purse. Coin purse. Key holder. Key holder. Pen. Pen. Notebook. Notebook. Address book. Address book. Document folder. Document folder. Reservation card. Reservation card. Emergency contact card. Emergency contact card. Set 3. Travel clothing and personal items. T-shirt. T-shirt. Shirt. Shirt. Pants. Pants. Shorts. Shorts. Jeans. Jeans. Sweater. Sweater. Jacket. Jacket. Raincoat. Raincoat. hat, hat. Cap, cap. Scarf, scarf. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Socks, socks. Shoes, shoes. Sandals, sandals. Slippers, slippers. Belt, belt. Sleepwear, sleepwear. Travel pillow, travel pillow. Eye mask, eye mask. Set 4. Toiletries and health items. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Soap, soap. Shampoo, shampoo. Conditioner, conditioner. Comb, comb. Hairbrush, hairbrush. Deodorant, deodorant. Hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Tissues, tissues. Wet wipes, wet wipes. Towel, towel. Razor, razor. Nail clipper, nail clipper. Sunscreen, sunscreen. Lip balm, lip balm. First aid kit, first aid kit. Bandage, bandage. Face mask, face mask. Reusable water, reusable water. Set 5. Travel gadgets and useful items. Smartphone, smartphone. Camera, camera. Headphones, headphones. Earphones, earphones. Power bank, power bank. Phone charger, phone charger. Charging cable, charging cable. Travel adapter, travel adapter. Power strip, power strip. Smartwatch, smartwatch. Laptop, laptop. Tablet, tablet. E-reader, e-reader. Portable speaker, portable speaker. Flashlight, flashlight. Travel umbrella, travel umbrella. Travel lock, travel lock. Luggage scale, luggage scale. Neck pillow, neck pillow. Travel blanket, travel blanket. Fantastic job, friends! Today you learn 100 travel item in English with picture. You discovered luggage, travel documents, clothes, gadgets and many useful things for a trip. Keep practicing these words to make your English vocabulary stronger and more useful everyday life and travel. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun English vocabularies videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning adventure. Till then, bye.